Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make your laptop or desktop icon big or smaller. So how can you do that? In this tutorial I will show you that. So for that you need to tap on the right button on your mouse, then you can see option view, and after that there you can see there have a option large icon, medium icon or a small icon. My laptop already selected a small icon, and if I want to make it large icon, just select it. Then there you can see every icon is large, and if I want to make it a smaller or medium, just select medium. Now my every icon is medium, and if I make it a smaller, just tap again view, then select a smaller icon. That's it. There you can see already a smaller. So guys, in this way you can make your laptop or desktop icon big or smaller very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.